explained 8 T3 area and perimeter word problems. Okay, so now that we know how to get, well, you learned that in elementary school, but here we have to use a little bit more difficult problems. All right, so the word problem says like this: the area of a rectangle tent is 28 square feet. All right, so if we just like draw a triangle, or like it's a rectangle, okay, like this, it says, I don't know, let's say it's 28 square feet. Oops, sorry. Okay, so let's do another smaller number, just like that. Okay, so more or less like, oops, sorry, more or less like that. All right, so this is the area. So we know that or it is 4 feet wide. That's what it says. Okay, so it's 4 feet wide. So we know that the formula to get the area of a rectangle, it's multiplying this, wide by height. So what is the length? Oops. What is the length? The length of the height. Okay. So 4 times what equals 28. Okay. We know that it is going to be 8 feet. Oops. No, sorry. It's going to be 7 feet. All right, because 4 times 7 equals 28. Okay, actually the rectangle must be drawn like this, something like this, 4 and 7. Okay, so let's write 7 right here. Just submit, and terrific. Okay, now the next one: each side of a square notepad is 10 centimeters long. It's a square, all right? And each side is 10 centimeters, so 10, 10, 10, and 10. What is the notepad's area? So we just multiply 10 by 10 equals 100 times 10 times 10 equals 100. Submit. Okay. A counter in Annie's kitchen is 1 meter wide. Okay. Counter. Right, so it is like more something similar, right? A counter, it's 1 meter wide and 2 meters long. Okay, so 1 wide, oops, sorry, square, let's say 1 wide. Let's draw it a little bit more like 1 and 2. All right, Annie wants to replace the counter with a granite countertop, which would cost this amount of money per square meter. How much will the granite countertop cost? Okay, so we need to find the area first. It is 1 here and 2 here, right? And we're talking about meters, right? 1 times 2 equals 2, so it is 2 square meters. So we need to multiply. Okay, let me get the calculator. Hurry up, calculator. Okay, we need to multiply the square meters, which is 2, times the amount of money or the cost of each square meter, 239.22. 239.22. All right, so this is the amount of money that this person, Annie, will have to spend, right? Let's submit it, and you got it. Okay, so let's do another two. A square garden has sides that are 21 meters long. Okay, it's a square garden, so all of the sides are the same, 21 meters long. Fencing costs $10 per meter. So how much will it cost to put a fence around the garden? So what are we going to do? We need to put a fence around the garden. So we need to get the perimeters, so all the surrounding area, right? So we are not going to get the area, but the perimeter. So we multiply 21 meters long per side times 4 equals 84. Okay, now it's 84 meters. So but this is not the answer, this is the perimeter. So for each of these we have to spend $10. So we need to multiply it by 10 and equals $840, which is the amount that we have to spend. All right, brilliant. The area of a square, again, square piece of carpet is 64 square feet. All right, so, oops, sorry. The area of a square, imagine this is a perfect square. It's not, but imagine it. So the area is 64. Area, not perimeter, area, which is inside. Remember, area is what it's inside, and perimeter is which is surrounding. Okay, 84 square perimeters. How long is each side of the carpet? So we need to multiply this by this. Okay, I'm having trouble with my mouse, so okay, this times what, or what number multiplied by itself equals 64? We obviously know that it is 8, right? 8 times 8 equals 64. Submit it, and great. Okay, so we're going to stop this video like in this part, and I hope it could help you solve this activity, and see you around next time. Bye bye.